Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill a shape with color in Canva. Yeah, it's super simple, but a lot of people miss the exact steps. So let's get right into it. So first, create a new design. You can pick any size you want. I usually go with a simple square just to keep things tidy. Now head over to the Elements tab. Search for shape or scroll through the basic shapes area. Click the one you want and drop it onto your canvas. Once the shape is on the canvas, click on it to activate the editor. You'll see the shape outline and the toolbar appear above. Now here's the main part. Look for the little color tile at the top. Click it and you'll get the color menu. Just choose any preset color or use the color picker to create your own shade. If you need the shape to match something in your design, use the eyedropper tool. Just hover over the part of your canvas you want to match and click. Canva will apply the exact color automatically. You can also adjust transparency if you want the shape to blend in, and if you're using a gradient shape, click on the different color stops to control each side. To keep your design consistent, you can duplicate the shape. Just press duplicate or use the quick copy shortcut. And once everything looks good, go ahead and download your design in PNG, JPG, or PDF. And yeah, your shape is filled and ready to use. So that's how you fill shapes with color in Canva. Super simple, super fast, and you can get really clean results once you know where everything is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.